Vermicelli, cooked Indian style from southern India, from Kerala, and you can see the beautiful cashews and the fresh curry leaves. And you can also making a tadka, which is how most Indian food starts out. And I have my sauteed onions, and then what you're seeing jumping around and spluttering are fresh curry leaves. And that's something that's used very often in Indian, especially southern Indian food. Now my friend, Dr. Cecily David, gave me this from her plant that she has growing in her backyard. Now the next thing that I'm adding to the tadka are mustard seeds. And this is another very common ingredient in Indian cooking. Last but not least, I'm adding these jumbo cashew nuts that she also brought back from India. They grow in, I believe she said, Goa. But look at the size of them, and you can see the dark brown shell or coating on them. And they are absolutely delicious. They're packed with flavor. These are the vermicelli noodles, and you just stir this up with everything that you use to make your tadka. And you also might want to add a little sprinkling of salt.